Ugh, LED. Not good. What kind of funny bulb is this? This is the Anson Electronics Company. .6 LED lamp. No good. Incandescent. Hopefully this fits. There we go, much better. One of the reasons why I got this particular model refrigerator is because it had the ability to change the light bulb, which seems to be a very scarce feature now. Well, it won't let me finish changing the light bulb. There we go. The drawback was that I had to get electronic controls. I could not find a model with mechanical controls and incandescent lighting, and I figured dealing with the LED lighting every time I open the refrigerator would be far worse than the electronics controls, because I really don't adjust that control much anyways. So that's that. One less LED in the house.